Hello guys, what's up and welcome to the new tutorial from the Sketchup Arc Studio. In this tutorial we will talk about Sketchup 2024 complete tutorial for beginners and how we can create arc and architecture arcs for our 3D projects. Sometimes you need to create some type of symbols like the pavilion or landmarks in SketchUp, but you don't know how to work with them because most of them have the curved surfaces and you can't reach the destination that you want. So I'm going to start my job with selecting this object in here. So I'm going to draw some selection box by holding left click on my cursor and press delete on my keyboard. Very simple and easy. So I'm going to click on the rectangle box in here, move my camera and orbit it like that. Select this origin point and draw some rectangle like this. And the dimension of it completely related to you, how you want to use it. I don't want to work with dimension. I only want to talk about 3D modeling. So I'm going to select this number in here and I want to click on the 2-point arc in this place. And I want to select this point and this point, something like that, not complete arc. All right. So I'm going to select some type of angle like this. When it's go on the blue, some color like that, I'm gonna select it and finalize it. So before I delete these extra lines in here, I'm gonna select it, click on the paint bucket in here, and it takes a bit of time. So click on the identity info, your line is selected for you, go to the segments and increase the segments as you can, and you can see the differences right now like this. So click on the eraser option and delete it like that. So your first type of arc generated for you, very simple and easy. You can extrude it like that. Some number about, for example, 0.4. Select this face, hold shift, deselect this face and this line in here. Click on the offset tool in here. Draw your offset something like that, a little bit with the witness. 0.2 is enough. All right, you can work with completely free numbers, make it per boolean like that. So now I want to add some profile through this line in here. So I'm going to orbit it to the downside, click on the 2-point arc in here, draw my first arc like that, second one like this, third one like this, and last one like that. So click on this line in here, this one and this one. Click on the follow me option, your path selected for you. Click on the follow me option and create this type of arc profile for your job. So this angle is great. Click on it, select all of it, click on the flip option, flip it on the red axis. So your first model generated for you, select all of it, right click and make a group. Very simple and easy. So next item related to another arc. So I'm going to move it a little bit to this side. Draw my another rectangle like this, a little bit bigger than another one. Click on the 2-point arc in here. Draw your first arc like that. Second one like this. And third one, something like that. Don't worry about the shape of it. This is only a training for how we can use 2-point arc and other type of things for our 3D modeling. Before I delete these extra lines, select this line in here. If I increase the segments, you can see it can effective on your job. 32 for this one, 32 for this one, and another 32 segments for this one. Now we have a smooth arc and shape in here. Click on the eraser, delete your extra lines, do the same action for them, something like that. Click on the this shape in here, deselect them, exactly repeat these options. Click on the offset, add your offset, extrude option, make it empty, like that, something like this. Don't worry about the background, you can select it, delete it, click on the line option, draw another line in here, and your face will be regenerated for you. So everything is done in here. Hold your scroll, orbit, go to this part of your job, click on the 2-point perspective another time. Draw your first type of 2-point perspective in here, second one in here, third one in here, and last one in here. Select these paths like that, very simple and easy. Select it by holding Control. Click on the follow me option, and now select your profile like that. So it's generated for you another time. Click on the make group in here, move this smaller arc in this place, something like that, match it up a little bit in here. Now you can click on the scale option, rescale it a little bit, something like that. Click on the move option, change it to the center point, select both of them, click on the make group in here. So now you need to draw another rectangle for resizing your main object. Draw your rectangle like that. For example, 5.10 to 0.6. Click on it. Click on this edge. Move it to this side. So click on your main object, click on the scale option in here, scale, rescale it completely fit and match with this face in here. You need another tape measure, so pick up the tape measure and tape it up. Some number, total number for this object is about 6.6. Click on the scale and fit it up with the tape measure. Only it can help you to work with the tape measure and how you can use it. Do not delete this rectangle because it's really important, and I want to talk about why. So click on the line option in here, find the midpoint of this rectangle, draw some type of line about 3.3, something like that. Click on the circle in here, draw a circle in here like this. Now you can select this rectangle, delete it. Now select your main object, click on the rotate tool, move your rotation tool in the center point of this circle, press Ctrl on your keyboard and take your copies. The number of copies completely related to you. So I'm going to take one copy in here. I don't want to continue my copying process. So this object selected for me, click on the flip option and flip it on the green axis. I want to create some reverse shape in here. Now select both of them, click on the rotation tool, press Ctrl another time, repeat this job in here, type a number of it, 2x, 4x, 5x, and your model done for you. Select this option in here, delete it, and everything is fine. You can undelete it and hold it on your model. Click on the offset and generate some type of floor for it. It completely depends on you and what you want from your rendering. Select all of them, make a group, click on the move option, move it to this part of your job, and now everything is fine for us. So I'm gonna delete this option in here, and final job related to how we can create these type of animation for our job for showing our animation. Open the paint bucket, very simple and easy in here. Click on the styles option, go to the edit mode, turn off the sky, make your background a little bit brighter than right now, something like this. Click on the refresh tool in here, reduce your edge thickness in here, very simple. Refresh it another time, go to the face setting, turn on the ambient occlusion, increase the intensity and distance like that, refresh it. Now time for creating our animation. Go to the modeling setting, turn off the model axis, so now you have 3-dimensional area for your animation. Go to the scenes option in here. Alright, click on this option in here, which name is isometric view. If you don't have this toolbar in here, you only need to right click in this place and activate your views toolbar in this place. Move it to this part, click on the isometric view, something like that. click on the scenes option and click on the add scene in here. Scene number 1 generated for you, scene number 2 another time, and scene number 3 like that. So click on scene number 1. If you right click, play animation, it takes a little bit of time, and after that you can see the rotational animation in here. Very simple and easy and enjoyable. So click on the scenes option in here, scene number 1, window, model info, go to the animation. My scene switcher is about 2 seconds. I'm going to increase it to the 3, and my scene delay is about 1. Click on the file, export, animation, and save it on your desktop. For example, Sketchup 2024 in here. My format is the MP4 in here. Click on the options. You can change your resolution and some other things, but right now I think this one is fine. Click on the OK and click on the export. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If this tutorial is useful for you, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for your time, thanks for watching, and goodbye.